There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2024 Dodge Durango Citadel in white knuckle with adaptive cruise control with stop, full speed forward collision warning plus, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, 9 Alpine amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated second row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7941.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.